Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to on the eye comfort shell in oppo. So before I start the video, so please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go to the settings. So you have to press the setting. So you have to come down. You just need to display and brightness. You have to press this one. So you see her eye comfort, so you just need to on this button. You just need to on this button, so eye comfort shell will be changed. So eye comfort shell is already done. So friends, before you leave this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.